Welcome to the vwnut 1967 channel. That's me, the vwnut you see right there. This is how we start every day, hanging the two flags out. If you look very closely, you can see the new roof on the house in the background. You're going to get a quick slideshow of the guys putting the new roof on. Can't say enough great things about this company right here, Lane Roofing, the roofing company I hired out of Derry, New Hampshire. The price was great. The work was exquisite. The guys that showed up here were craftsmen. They did a great job. Highly recommended. If you live in the area where I live, hire these guys to do your roof if you need a roof. They come with all of the right equipment. Very professional. I can't say enough good things about Josh Lane and his roofing company. The number was right there on the side of the truck. Feel free to give them a call. vwnut approved. They did such a nice job on my house. Very happy with the work they did. So enjoy the rest of the quick slideshow right here. We'll probably get started with a little bit of Hazy Days music for you right here, and we'll finish it up while we're painting some parts.
As you're waiting for the story to end, think about all the things that you depend upon. Your shoulders standing high, looking around the world from in the sky. So take it easy, cause you might fall. You got a million different people writing on your wall. I got a number, write it down. You better check your distance from the ground. If you're ever gonna watch me fall, I think now's the time. And if you're ever gonna help me fall, I think now's the time. And if you're ever gonna catch me fall, I think now's the time. Put the sunshine on my face. With you there's never a smile out of place. You put the beats into my heart. You know that I've loved you from the start.
What do you think about the roofers? What do you think? What do you think? You think they make a lot of noise? They challenge you. Yeah. It's been tough for Patina today. Yeah, they make a lot of noise. And they walk right in front of the windows.
Those sprouts. Just sit still. Put your head in there.
Do you love your Brussels sprouts? Alright, so on top of having the new roof put on the vwnut 1967 garage and household and addition and things, we also had this problem. I'll go ahead and get you guys a closer look at that. That's my old electrical panel, and it was melting down. That's the black you see at the top. That's the top of the panel where it was melting down. So we had to have a new panel put in. That takes like a whole day to have that happen. Thankfully I have a good friend who is also a Volkswagen guy, and he watches the channel, so thank you, Nolan. He's the best. Came right over on a Friday and wired up our new panel. I'll take you guys over there after we zoom in on this and show you the new panel. Okay, so this is the top of the panel, and that's one of the breakers that melted, and that's the other breaker that melted, and then this is where your main came in, and this was aluminum that melted, and you can see the other part of the breaker that's melted right here in the bus bar to the number one. That was the problem. What happened was, before we owned this house, there was water getting into the panel. That started the problem. After we bought the house, we stopped the water from getting into the panel, but the damage was already done, so the panel was making heat and cooling off and making heat and cooling off and building its own condensation, and that's what compounded this problem over time. So I'll take you guys over and show you the new panel. So there we go, we have the, this is the brand new panel that was installed with all new breakers. No problem. Thank you again, Nolan. So that solved that problem. So now we can get back to working on Volkswagens, and I brought you guys down into my basement because that's where we're going to start painting some of the tins. So I'm going to get a table set up for us and covered in some cardboard, and I'll bring you guys back for that. I'll see about adding some more light right here real quick, but table and drop cloth, brush, paint, stick. Now we just need the parts and we'll be ready to go. Alright, so we're going to paint the tins with this Rust-Oleum flat black right out of the can. I'm going to brush it on just like you would POR or something.
You want a better life, well so do I. You think I want to live this way until the day I die. Just take it easy, understand. Nothing in my life was ever planned. So if you're ever gonna watch me fall, I think now's the time. And if you're ever gonna help me fall, I think now's the time. And if you're ever gonna catch me fall, I think now's the time. So as you're waiting for the story to end, think about all the things that you depend upon. Your shoulders standing high, looking around the world from in the sky. I'm just looking for a place to land, so won't you tell me how you feel about my one-man band? Don't spend your days up on the fence till everything I do starts making sense. So if you're ever gonna watch me fall, I think now's the time. And if you're ever gonna help me fall, I think now's the time. And if you're ever gonna catch me fall, I think now's the time. So now's the time. So now's the time. So now's the time. So now's the time.
Alright, well that's going to do it for this one and those two. Now that all of my house problems are taken care of, at least for right now, hopefully we can get back to our regularly scheduled Volkswagen restoration programming. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for being here, and we will see you guys in a couple of days.